Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today we will go looking for Lightning McQueen. Let's go! Wow! Oh, purple car. Wow. Really cool. Wow, who it is? Wow, police the sheriff.
Oh no! Oh, maybe he can help me! He's shooting at me! Why is he shooting at me? I haven't done this fast in years.
Wow, sheriff. Wow, monster truck tomato. Wow.
Well, that's weird.
Wow, racing car. Wow, fabulous Hudson Hornet. Hey. Wow, Dinoco ChickHick. Yeah. Wow, monster truck. Wow, monster truck Cruz Ramirez. Okay, friend, let's go. Wow, so many cars here. Okay, who it is? Wow, Jackson Storm.
Who was that? I put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Wow, racing car number 4. Oh, yellow Lightning McQueen.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do?
Wow. Axlerod.
Skip to my loo, my darling.
Me? Got to be crazy.
Wow, Saudi.
Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo.
Wow, blue truck.
Skip to my loo, my darling.
Wow, black racing car. Hey, it's Fillmore. Wow, wow, so many cars. Hey, Francesco.
Francesco is triple speed. Francesco is triple speed. Ho ho! Francesco likes this McQueen.
Wow, Hudson Hornet. Hey, it's Tomato. Yeah.
Well, that's weird.
Hey, it's LightningMcQueen.
I'm American made, but alive serving me. My mama taught me wrong from right. I was born in the South. Sometimes I have a big mouth when I see something that I don't like. I gotta say it.
Wow, wow, wow. Holy shit, well. Oh, it's Lizzie. Yeah.
The only guy strong enough to fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing?
Oh, it's Flo.
I never seen Doc drive more than 20 miles an hour. I mean, have you ever seen him race?
Oh, Flo again. Okay, friend, please like and subscribe for my channel. Bye bye.